February 1st, 2003, the Columbia Space Shuttle disintegrated over Texas and Louisiana as it re-entered Earth's atmosphere, killing all 7 crew members on board. Astronauts Rick Douglas Husband, commander of the Space Shuttle, pilot of the shuttle William Cameron McCool, Michael Philip Anderson, Kalpana Chawla, David McDowell Brown, Laurel Blair Salton Clark, Ian Ramon, all lost their lives on the Columbia Space Shuttle. For Kalpana Chawla and David McDowell Brown, it was both their first flight. The mission of the Columbia spacecraft launched from Kennedy Space Center in Florida on January 16, 2003. It was a 16-day mission. During the launch of Columbia's 28th mission, also known as STS-107 Flight Insignia, a piece of foam insulation broke off from the Space Shuttle external tank and struck the left wing of the orbiter. Previous flights had noticed minor damage to the Columbia Shuttle, as well as shedding. However, some engineers suspected more serious damage to the shuttle than NASA suspected. When Columbia re-entered the Earth's atmosphere, the damage from the launch allowed hot atmospheric gases to puncture and destroy the internal wing structure. This caused for the spacecraft to become unsteady and slowly break apart. When the shuttle exploded, the crew members were only 16 minutes from home. After the Columbia Space Shuttle disaster, Space Shuttle flight operations were suspended because of the similar disaster from the Challenger Space Shuttle, another shuttle that exploded, killing all of its crew members. On February 4th, 2003, families of the crew members were all honored by President George W. Bush and his wife, Laura Bush, who led a memorial service for the families of the victims. Congressional Space Medals of Honor were given to the fallen victims of the Columbia and Challenger tragedies by George W. Bush. 13 years later, the lives of the crew members and their unfortunate fate have not been forgotten. In a New York Times article written by Sarah Kershaw, wife to William Cameron McCool, said, "They all died doing what they love."